Hello, everyone, and welcome back to day 10 of the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Today, we will have a closer look at functions with outputs. So we've already had a look at functions that can take an input. So today, we are going a step further. And by the end of the day, we should have completed a project in which we will build a calculator. In front of me, I have the first exercise of the day. Okay, it's called 10.1. And in this one, let's read the instructions. In the starting code, you'll find the solution from the leap year challenge. First, convert this function is leap, so let's start printing blah, blah, blah. Okay. You're going to create a function called days in a month. Okay. So in this challenge, we are working on days in a month. Pick up indentation. Okay. First, convert this function. So instead of printing leap, not leap year, it should return true if it's a leap year and return false if it's not a leap year. Okay, that's not straightforward. Print. If it's a leap year, so we do return true. True. And then not a leap year, return false. And then return true. And then finally return false. All right. Okay. That seems straightforward. What's next? You are then going to create a function called days in a month, which will take a year. Let me just copy this. A year and a month as inputs. So let me define. Okay, we already got the days, month. So we just do month, no, year, month. Okay. For example, days in a year equals 22, 22 months, and then we'll use this information to work out the number of days in a month. Then return that as the output, for example, 28 days in a month. Okay. Months and days. Okay. Okay. If year is a leap year, try to see if this one will give me this. Let me read the instruction again. Okay. If s underscore leap year if that is leap year, then I need to the function with months in the days, and then if leap year and month. Okay, yeah, equals 2, so that's February. Then return 29, and then otherwise, well, it's only February that leap year's effect, right? Um, so let me just do this. Return month underscore days, month. Okay, type of month. So since we're starting with 0, it's going to be -1. If month greater than 12 or month less than 1, error, we need to get an error. So 1 month or 12 months, return invalid month. Okay. Let's type out the try run again. 2022 second month, none. Oh, so if it doesn't, none. Something after the month, it's giving me none. That will, I'm assuming that has to do with month less days, month -1. Okay. Try to remove this. What's giving me none? 2022. Not the output I was expecting. Something ain't right. Let me just have a look at the solutions quickly. Right, this indentation needs to be on the if level. 20. There you go. Wow, one indentation caused all that issue. Perfect. Okay, so that is the end of exercise 1 of the day. So welcome back again. So this time we'll be doing a quiz for some of the content we just covered. Yeah, in front of me I have the first quiz, the first question in the quiz. So it says, without running the code below, what do you think will be printed in the console? Okay, the first one. At n1 to n1 plus n2. Okay. So and wait. So the answers are numeric, so numbers, right? This one's N1 and N2. That one will give us a number, so that straight away by exclusion. And that's also eliminated. Elimination. That's also gone. Also gone. Print. Add to. What the? Oh. Whoa. So all this is actually one one code. Okay, fair enough. I thought it was, yeah, fair enough. Print add. So this bracket goes with this bracket. The outer one goes with that one. So 1, 2, 3 opening brackets, 4 opening brackets, 4 closing. The 2 goes in for N1. Five. Okay, maybe I'm confused about this one. Clearly, it's this last one. I think that'll be printed, but this does not make any sense. I thought there's the parameters all go into that N1 and 2. We have 1, 2, 3 inputs. We have 2 there. Let me just guess and see what solution is given. Incorrect answer. Please try again. The functions are called from the innermost to the outermost. So 1 divide 2, 3 multiply, 3 add, divide, 2 multiply, 3 add, divide. So divide gets 8 and 4. No, 1 divide. Yeah, I'm gonna have to guess this one. I still don't get it. No, let me get it wrong deliberately. Okay. What would you predict to be the result of running the following code? Def function, auto function, a comma b, a function c d, return c plus d, return a function, result auto function, print result. Auto function a comma b. So 5 is put into here, 10 is input into b. Okay. So out of 5. Inner function, no. Inner function, no. 5 there. Inner function c and d. Return c plus d. Wow, there's only addition in this whole code, so yeah, it has to be 15. A equals 5, yeah, which means c equals 5. B equals 10, which means d equals 10. The output of inner function becomes the output of outer function. Oh, outer function. Yeah, okay, so this code becomes this code. Oh, interesting. Okay, last one. What will be printed in the console after running the following code? To find my function a, if a is less than 40, return print terrible. If a less than 80, return pass, else return great. My function 25. I should put 25 in there. It's less than 40. Return and print. I'm not sure if you can do a return and print just like that. I think print has to be outside. Okay, terrible is not an option. Less than 80. Pass. Also return great. But A is less than 40 and it's less than 80. I don't think it's pass or great. It has to be an error message. Syntax error? No. Return keyword will exit the function and prevent the rest of the code from being executed. So perhaps none. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. This makes sense. Let's move on to the next task of the day, which will be a project. Okay, welcome back to the final project of day 10, in which we'll be building out a calculator. Yeah, so in here I have the SKI for the calculator, so it's just a quick drawing of what it will look like. But in here is where we will actually, sorry, what did I press? Cancel that. Where we will build out the calculator. So let me just say hashtag calculator. So the first thing, I'll do the addition, def add n1 and 2. Okay, that's a bit, why is that in blue? Return, okay, that's both in blue now. n1 plus n2. I'm going to do subtract, hashtag subtract, def subtract. Is this better, right? Subtract, yeah. N1 and 2. And then also return n1 minus n2. Okay, then we have multiply. So over here I'll do multiply. Let me turn this into a comment. Def multiply n1. Let's also go n2 and return n1 multiply by n2. Perfect. Finally, we have divide, which is going to be the same thing. Def divide n1 n2 return n1 slash n2. Okay, perfect. So this is the the outline of the main functionalities of calculate, right? You add, divide, you add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Now I need to create a dictionary called operations. Just the next step. Let me try that. Dictionaries. Okay. Operations. Dictionaries are square brackets. Yeah. Let me open it up. Key value pair plus, and that'll be add minus, that'll be minus, well, subtract. Make it plus. Multiply, no, the keyword first. Multiply, right, subtract, multiply. Okay, and then we have divide. Okay, so this is the dictionary we have to create. Operations. Okay. The next thing I need to do is I need to okay, functions. I need to use these operations. So let me try that. Num1 equals. Okay, the user needs to input what first number. Num2 equals input what's the second number. Space. Perfect. Oh, it needs to be int. Okay. Now I need to create a loop for symbol in operations. Okay, space there. Print symbol. Let me just try this code. Subtract. What is this? Oh, comma. Right down. Name subtract is not defined. Okay, make it small. Spelling error. I'm making a lot of spelling mistakes lately. I need to be careful. Multi. Oh, this should be correct. Oh, capital M again. Small m. Let me see. Okay, so now we are printing the symbols, which are all these, right? I need to print out. I need to choose. Okay. Operation underscore symbol equals input. Pick an operation from the line above. Okay, that makes sense. Let me try that. 5 plus 10. Plus. Okay, so now we need to sort of make it do something once they pick the operation. Okay, if it's add, it needs to add. If it's multiply, it needs to multiply. Okay, let's write that code. Print f num1 operation symbol plus num 2 equal answer, but we don't have an answer. Let's create a calculation function. Calculation underscore function equals operations operation symbol. Yep. No, square bracket, sorry. Operation symbol. And then calculation answer, and the answer should be equals calculation function num1 and num2. Let me have a look at my code again. Calculation function equals operations, which is there. Operation symbol, which will be what the user inputs. So okay, perfect. And then the answer will be calculation function divided by, well, with the input. Okay, let me try that. What is the first number? Try 5, 10. I want to say plus. It's doing 5 plus plus. Okay, remove that one. 5, 10, perfect. That seems to work fine. Let me try something else. What was it? 200. 73.5. Oh, it's float. I should probably make it float. So okay. 200 or 2000 plus 20 multiply. Okay, so that seems to work. Should probably make these ones. Wondering whether I should make them float instead of int. Let me do something here. Okay, I think that's okay. That seems to be alright so far. Okay, what's the first number? Using calculator. I'm trying to imitate a calculator. You select the first number and then you select an operator number. Okay, I'm do the same here. Change the order a bit. Bear with me. There we go. Okay, perfect. That works fine.